Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to learn how to insert barcodes, company logos, watermarks in the part modeling. Just open the appearance scenes window. Just select the decals option where you can find the default logos, barcodes. You can just select and drag to the face where you want to project the barcodes and logos. I'm just selecting the random barcodes. If you have the predefined barcodes, you can save in your drive and then you can able to directly insert into the in your parts. I'm just selecting the required barcodes. You can select the display states as per your requirement. Then you can just drag into the required place where you want to project the barcode. I'm just sliding over the selected face as per my requirement. You can also minimize or enlarge the size of logos and barcodes. After placing in a correct position, I am just click OK. Then you can find the logos, watermarks or certified symbols like ISO symbols, UL lab symbols. You can insert in your parts. Likewise, you can browse the images or logos in your saved drive to insert into this part. I just selected the required image in my drive. Then you have to drag it to required position and sizes. You can also make the alteration by selecting the various options in display states. I'm just selecting the display states and then click OK. You can find the image which I inserted in this part model. Like this, you can able to insert the predefined QR codes, barcodes in your design. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. We'll see you in next video.